Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am here to conduct a math class of class 6. Our today's topic is exercise 1.5, question 8 and 15. The students, in the previous class of arithmetic, we have discussed basic, and in this class we will solve some problems. These problems are given here. I will solve these two problems, and two problems are given for your homework. At first, see the solution of these two problems. First one, exercise 1.5, question 8. I have written an word problem here. The weight of a bucket full of water is 16 integer 1/2 kg. If 1/4 part of the bucket contains water weighing 5 integer 1/4 kg, then determine the weight of empty bucket. Dear students, I have drawn a bucket here. If you want to measure the weight of this water of the bucket, you have to measure the weight of bucket and water. It means here the weight of bucket and water total is 16 integer 1/2 kg. What is here? It means that weight of bucket here and weight of water, whole part water. Weight of the bucket and weight of 1 part water means the total water, and if 1/4 part of the bucket of the water, if you want to weight the measure, if it is 1/4 part filled, suppose this is 1/4 part filled bucket. Now if you want to measure the weight, then you have to weight the water with the bucket. So this weight is 5 integer 1/4 kg. Here also you will get weight of bucket and 1/4 part water. Dear students, now try to understand here. If you subtract this weight, the 5 integer 1/4 from 16 integer 1/2 kg, what will you get? 16 integer 1/2 minus 5 integer 1/4 kg. The difference will be this weight, and if you subtract this bucket and weight of bucket and weight of bucket will vanishes, and just only 1 minus 1/4 part weight of water, weight of 1 minus 1/4 part water will remain. It means that weight of, if we subtract this, we will get 3/4. Weight of 3/4 part of only water will be this. Weight of 3/4 part of only water will be this. So we can solve the problem using this technique. Okay, let us start our solution. How can we write the solution? At first write the given information here. The weight of a bucket full of water is 16 integer 1/2 kg, and the weight of 1/4 part filled bucket is 5 integer 1 by 4 kg. So dear students, now at first we subtract 1 by 4 from 1. This will be 4, 4 minus 1. This will be 3 by 4. It means that weight of 3 by 4 part of only water will be the difference of these two. So we can write, therefore, weight of 3 by 4 part of only water is, then we have to subtract subtract 5 integer 1 by 4 from 16 integer 1 by 2. Now if we calculate, what will we get? At first convert this into improper. 16 2s are 32 and 1, 33 by 2 minus 5 4s are 20 and 1, 21 by 4 kg. So if we subtract, we will get LCM will be 4. So this will be 66 minus, if we subtract, now this will be 21 kg, then we will get 4. If we subtract, we will get 45. 45 by 4 kg. This is the weight of only water of 3 by 4 part. It means the weight of 3 by 4 part water is 45 by 4 kg. So the total weight of water is, so total means 1 part. So we have to divide this by 3 by 4. 45 by 4 divide by 3 by 4 kg. It means that 45 by 4 multiply by, as I have changed the sign, division by multiplication, I have to take the reciprocal fraction now. So if we calculate here, 4 and 4 we can cut, 3 we can divide 45 by 3, we will get 15. So here we are getting the total weight of water is 15 kg. Dear students, now we know the total weight of water, that is 15 kg. So if we subtract the total weight of water from 16 integer 1 by 2 kg, we will get the weight of empty bucket. So we can write, therefore the weight of empty bucket this will be, we have to subtract 15 kg from 16 integer 1 by 2 kg. This will be 33 by 2 minus 15 kg. So if we calculate now, we will get 2, 33 minus 30 kg. This means that 3 by 2 kg, it means that one integer 1 by 2 kg. Dear students, this is the weight of empty bucket. So this is our required answer for question 8. This is our required answer for question 8. Our question is, determine the weight of empty bucket. This is the weight of empty bucket. One integer 1 by 2 kg. So I have done first question. Now I will go to the second question. This is a simplification. Dear students, to simplify this, at first you have to know some rules. First one is, as this simplification contains fraction, so if there is any mixed fraction, then convert into improper. Mixed to improper. Then second rule is, if there is any bracket, then we have to remove the bracket at first, and if there is first bracket, remove first bracket and then second bracket, then third bracket. Dear students, you have to remember that if there is no bracket, if there is only operation, or if there are some operation inside the bracket, then you have to follow the sequence. At first operation is off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, subtraction. You have to follow the sequence. At first you have to do the operation off. Operation off means multiplication, then operation division, then operation multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Remember these rules to solve this type of simplification. Let us solve now. So at first we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper. 6 ones are 6 and 5, 11 by 6 plus 7 3s are 21 and 1, 22 by 3 minus 4 ones are 4 and 3, 7, 4 plus second bracket 3 3s are 9 to 11 by 3 minus 6 2s are 12 and 1, 13 by 2 minus 2 3s are 6 and 1, 7 by 3 off. One integer 1 by 2 means 2 ones are 2 and 1, 3 by 2 plus last fraction is 3 by 4. First bracket, second bracket and third bracket close now. Dear students, as here are 3 brackets given, at first we have to complete the work of first bracket. So except first bracket, all the remaining parts will be same. 11 by 6 plus 22 by 3 minus 7 by 4 plus 11 by 3 minus, then here are minus of plus. So at first we have to do the operation of. So we can write here 13 by 2 minus, if we do the operation of means multiplication, so we can cut 3 and 3, it will be 7 by 2, then addition. The students, first bracket remains, so we can do any operation outside of first bracket. At first we have to complete the first bracket. When we will get only one fraction from the bracket, from inside the bracket, then the bracket will be removed. So do the LCM of this 3, 2, 2 and 4 will be 4. So this will be 26 minus 14 plus 3. Dear students, now the first bracket will be removed, as we will get only one fraction from this minus. Now what will we get? Only one fraction, 4 here. Here 26 is positive, 3 is positive. If we add, that will be 29. Subtract 14. This will be 15. So here will be 15. Now second bracket and third bracket remains. Next line. Now we have to remove second bracket. It means we have to complete the work of second bracket. Except the second bracket, all the terms will remain same. As here is subtraction, just we have to do the LCM. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Now divide 12 by 3. You will get 4. So this will be 4 11s are 44. Here is minus. Now divide 12 by 4, you will get 3. 3 15s are 45. Eleven 6, 22 3 minus third bracket 7 by 4 plus. Dear students, is it possible to subtract 45 from 44? If we subtract, we will get minus 1. If we subtract, we will get minus 1. So this fraction will be, in the numerator we have to write minus 1, and in the denominator there will be 12. We can keep two sign, addition and subtraction together. So we can write in this way, 7 by 4 minus, plus and minus will be minus 1 by 12. Now I have to complete the work of third bracket. Now third bracket, LCM is 12. Now divide 12 by 4, it will be 3. 3 7s are 21 minus, here is 1. So we can write here 11 by 6 plus 22 by 3 minus, we will get only one fraction here, that is 20 by 12. That is 20 by 12. Now we can do the LCM of 6, 12 and 3. This will be 12. Now it will be 22 plus, if we divide 12 by 3, we will get 4. It will be 88 minus 1. So this will be 20. Now we can write here 12. Here 88 and 22 is positive. So we can add these two. This will be 110. This will be 110 minus 20. We will get here 90 by 12. We can divide both by 6. Divide both by 6. 6 15s are 90. 6 2s are 12. So we can write here 15 by 2. So as this is improper fraction, so we can convert this into mixed. If we convert this into mixed, this will be 7 integer 1 by 2. Dear students, I have completed both the problems. Two problems are given for your homework from page 36 and 37. Question 7 is a word problem. Question 7 is a word problem and 12 is simplification. Solve these two questions as your homework. Submit your homework on next Sunday. And you know, homework is very, very important for annual examination, as your CT marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.